Alright, so in every great journey there is always an ending, and this is this part for our Bangkok experience. For our final night, or two final videos, I'm gonna show you the best night market that I know in Bangkok, and I strongly recommend for you to visit there. And that is the train night market. So you can have this kind of trip whether you ride by BTS or MRT. Unfortunately, I forgot which station is that one, but it's near the Chinese embassy. So search the Chinese embassy, and then it's just around the corner. So why do I prefer train night market over Chatuchak? Because first, train night market is every night, so you don't have to catch weekend flight or whatever just to experience Bangkok night market. Although you can experience Bangkok night market every night, but why I prefer that, because everything is in there already in the night market. It's like a combination of Chatuchak and Khao Road. So the train night market is not as huge as Chatuchak, but not as congested as Khao Road. So in train night market, you can find pubs also there, bars, if you want to go drinking, just like in Khao Road. And you can buy your souvenirs, shoppings, just like in Chatuchak, except that it doesn't have much in the art section, just like in Chatuchak. And there's no books shops that you can visit. But the rest of it, it's similar. You can buy for gadgets there, for clothes, and the best part is you can eat. Yeah, that's the best part in train night market. So yeah, so far that's it. That's my best night market so far. Yeah, just for 1 week, that's the best so far. And yeah, and please enjoy the rest of the video with a good song that I'm gonna be playing. And I do hope one day you'll come and visit Bangkok. But before that, try to explore our country. Well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you want more, subscribe, and if you like the video, like it, and if you don't, then you can send me an email. That's all. Thank you.